Lily! Wake up! Big exam is coming.
I studied all night, Dad. I am so tired.
You can do it, Lily. I believe in you.
Henry says he will get first position, not you.
Sam, wake up, Lily. School starts soon.
I'll take care of it.
Henry is smart, but I will try my best.
Good luck, Lily.
You will need it.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, class.
Exam papers are ready.
Stay calm. You know this. This year, first place is mine.
You have 2 hours. Good luck, everyone. Here we go.
Think, Lily, think. Almost done. Keep going.
5 minutes left, students.
Almost there. Finish strong.
Time's up. Pens down, please.
It's done. I did my best.
Good exam, right, Lily?
Yes. Now we just wait for results.
That exam was so hard. Tell me about it. I totally failed.
Results come out tomorrow. Are you nervous?
A little. But I tried my hardest.
Lily! How was the exam, sweetie?
I think I aced it.
That's all I ask. I'm proud of you.
What if Henry did better than me?
There's my star student. How did it go?
I don't know, Dad. Henry is really smart too.
Being smart is good, but trying your best is more important.
Lily, did you beat Henry? Tell me now!
We find out tomorrow, little brother. Be patient. Whatever happens, we love you, Lily.
Thank you, Mom. That means a lot. No matter what happens, I know I gave it everything I had.
Are you ready for today, sweetie?
Ready or not, here it comes.
Come on, I'll drive you myself today. Relax, Lily. Breathe. You already did your part.
Here goes nothing. Move! Let me see my name! Where is my name?
Wait, is that my my name?
Second place? I got second place. Congratulations, Henry. You earned it.
Henry! Way to go, man.
It's okay. Second place is still good.
She looks so sad. I should say something.
Lily, wait. Can we talk for a second?
It's fine, Henry. Really, I'm happy for you.
You worked so hard. Second place is amazing too.
I really wanted first place this year.
I know, but you never gave up. That's what matters.
Thank you for saying that. It helps a lot.
There she is! Let's go see the results.
Lily? What happened, sweetheart?
I got second place, Dad. Henry got first.
Second place? Lily, that is wonderful news.